I'm very happy for your sister, Angela. Eh? Let her get married. Eh? Let's see if this yoke in this land will be broken.
My brother, yes. The yoke is going to be broken, of course. I do know why. I'm very, very tired.
Why?
Because of my sister staying in my father's house. Because she's not getting any younger. Man, in this very traditional marriage of her, protocols must be ignored.
Opoka, who know the games the wicked elders are going to play that day?
And who cares? Who is going to tell them, by the way, or are you going to tell them? Then why complaining? The way I and the Mecca planned it, is going to be a secret marriage. But the day they get to know, and they try any rubbish on that very day, I will be forced to fight the elders of this very family. It is not good for one to repair it, they also.
Greetings.
So, who repaired it not so?
The people.
The people. Which people?
They know themselves.
Listen. Both of you should stop gossiping like women.
Oh.
You are men! That is by the way. I heard that your sister will be getting married soon.
So?
And your mother and members of your family, including Emeka, have refused to consult the elders of the family. Hey! But!
Ichie forgot the but. That's nothing like but.
Look at this bastard! Talk to no like this!
You are not going to shut up because you people said that we should stop gossiping, that we are not women. And you people are here to listen to gossip. If you want to know the truth in the elders, why not come to the house and find out the truth yourself?
Okay,
respect yourself.
you will see. Okay. Okay.
Let's go.
We really want to get married in this Catholic church.
You have been told the requirement. My only advice to you is that you meet the requirement so that the banns can be called.
You see, you're not even supposed to be here for we to start all over again on the issue that has been concluded. Why not pay your money and your marriage banns will be called? You go ahead with your wedding, then forget the long stories.
Money? What's the money for? I mean, is he owing the church? Why are people making things difficult for people just to call banns of marriage?
Listen to me. If not that we are in the church, I would have said that you are stupid. You come here for request? You should watch your tongue.
But I've not said anything wrong here.
Shut your mouth. Catechist.
Yes, Father.
You may settle with them. I don't have time for rubbish.
You see, young man, wherever you may enter today, there are procedures. And this is how it has been here for a very long time before now. You can't change it.
But Catechist, why are you people making things difficult? I mean, why?
Listen to me. I told you we should go to another church for this wedding. You said it was a Catholic church. You can see what's going on here now.
Listen to me. You may go wherever you wish to. Nobody is holding you back. But let me assure you, there are some authenticity you get in wedding in Catholic church that you never get elsewhere.
But since you people don't want us to get married here, we have any other option than to go to other churches and get married there.
It's better.
And let's go. Why?
This thing now, all the people be other village, I've been waiting for them to see. I will never use and dump you. Eh? I'm ready to for whatever that comes out. See, let me tell you, if I'm not making this bully, I'm equal to the task.
I could come back. That's what you are saying. So, you like this now. Eh? You want to use me. You want to use me. By the time you finish doing now, you will dump me. By the time you offload this thing that is heavy in you now, you will dump me.
How can you talk like that now? See, I've taken cucumber carrot to prepare for this. Eh? See, okay, other men that got married, from we now, but they have 2 heads. All the fish after I'm leaving. You know, no.
So what do you do for a living?
I'm working now. Don't you know I'm working? You might have from where now. That is in God's hand. See, let me tell you, God knows what I'm doing here. By the time we finish, you're going to see miracle.
I've not seen you working before. I only see you go around with my brother killing Agama.
See, let me tell you, see, let's do this thing, forget talk, let us do this thing. My wish is already bubbling.
Yeah, it's bubbling.
I need someone to fix this thing.
Don't bubble it here, and tomorrow now.
See, I've already taken cucumber and carrot to prepare for this. I arrange it. You wouldn't even like it.
See, you know my father. You know my father. If you know you are not capable, just leave me alone. Let me stay on my own. If you are not capable, are you sure you can do it? If you offload this thing here, hope you can take responsibility.
And you come to the task, me. See, let me tell you. Forget talk. Let's do this thing.
You didn't even bring rapper. Is he on this ground now?
Oh, look, you leave this thing. People will hear us now. This thing, What the cucumber and carrot have been taking to prepare for this thing so I can arrange you. You will enjoy, you will like it. You like one here.
I should sit on it.
You should I will give you from back. You don't want to try and
I gotta relax, so.
I
gotta relax, you don't leave me.
Iked, before I could come back yesterday, it was already late. You understand? And I couldn't find time to discuss with you as to know the reason why you came back from the city. You understand? So, tell us what happened. Why did you come back from the city?
Thank you, Papa. See, Uncle Sam and his wife are very wicked. They are...
Forget what they are and tell us what happened.
Mama, is it because that man is your brother? See, let me tell you, that kind of person is not supposed to be someone's brother.
You are useless.
He's very wicked.
Iked, you're stupid. Shut up your mouth. Iked, if you don't have anything important to say, shut up your mouth. Look, I have an important place going to. Do you understand? If you don't know what to say, let me go to where I'm going to. And stop talking all this rubbish. Okay. Stop saying this and tell us what happened.
Okay, you people want to know. What happened was that they do send me to wash plates, sweep the whole house, wash clothes. See, Mama, let me ask you. When I was at home, do I used to do all these things?
No.
See, they even sent me to buy a common recharge card. See, Mama, the most annoying part of it is that Uncle Sam only give me 300 naira for me. And any day we would not go to market. That is winch, called his wife, will not allow me to eat as I like. She commands me to eat 3 times in a day, only. And I can't cope with that, so I had to return back.
Dead. Sorry.
Sorry.
Asimgi, sorry.
To me or to Papa?
Don't fire you. For you or for who are you pointing at? You're pointing at Naga. Sorry or for me? Look, let me tell you, you are very useless. Iked, you are very stupid and useless that I don't even know where your mother got you from. Do you understand? You are here complaining that somebody is giving you 300 naira for a meal and you're not happy. You're complaining. That was why you left where you were to come back to this village, to come and start gallivanting and start doing your nonsense again. You're complaining. Iked, look, I am sending you a trailer load of sorry for choosing to be useless. I'm sending you a trailer of, in fact, the caterpillar of sorry for choosing to be useless in this life. Let me tell you, Iked, your mother here and I are going to call Sam. We are going to call Sam and apologize to Sam because you are returning back to that city.
Lie! See, Papa, you're the one going back to that city now. Me, I'm not going anywhere. I've returned and I've returned.
Nagi is going back. Let me break this boy's head. Let me break. Is this head? Let me break this coconut.
You want to give
Nagi is going back to the city.
See, Papa.
Nagi is going back to the city. Look at you. I regret the day I made you pregnant. That bought me
Agaba is waiting for me. We have important place.
Agaba is waiting for you. Agaba is waiting for you. Look, you are the next sacrificial lamb. You are the next sacrificial lamb. I'm telling you, Agaba is waiting for you. Sacrificial lamb. All Mariko is waiting for you because you are the next blood to cleanse all Mariko. Idiot. Look at you. Look, this woman. You're going to tell me where you got this idiot from. I have been telling you. You tell me where you got this idiot from because all these things that is happening, I no longer understand.
I got it from you.
Amy, it's true that my fiancé dad is dead. And our uncle that I put to be your father is also dead. But whoever meets you at home, I think he also meets a man. Confirm. That's why we have come here. Though I've told Angela this, but I want to give you the respect. I've told her I won't be able to do all that is in the list. Yes. Or else I will get my wife somewhere.
Yes, Emeka. I don't want you to see this as an insult, but I want you to understand something. Ezugo here is my cousin, and I wouldn't be happy to see him after getting married to your sister. He will start begging for food. God forbid. It's an abomination. You know it now.
My in-laws to be. You are welcome. You see, there is no need to waste time on this issue. Ezugo, your stand has been what I have concluded long ago. I am against our tradition for God's sake. It's wickedness, total turpitude. I am against it, and no youth in our land supports it. So I will advise you, don't bother, just come and do things the way you like, according to your ability. Preferably, just bring cash. No need of buying items, drinks, or whatever they wrote in the list. Just come and bring cash, so that nobody will notice. It will be a silent and peaceful marriage. And if any that try nonsense that day, I will deal with that person. In fact, this is not a matter.
Mekus melod. Niborabaka chimchim. It's okay. Now come here.
I like this man so much.
Oluchuku. See the camera. How could you? How could you? How could you brought yourself so low to have gotten pregnant for that village town? Agaba.
Hey, Mama. Mama, don't go there. Don't even go there. What is it now? Am I complaining? Am I complaining that I'm pregnant? Or did you see any atom of regret in me? Don't call my husband a tout, please.
Oluchuku, what did I hear you say?
Wait. What am I hearing? Who's pregnant? Oluchuku, you're pregnant.
I heard you.
Oluchuku, you're pregnant for who? Oya to give me.
Now imagine. Oluchuku went and got pregnant for that village tout, Agaba.
Ha! Oluchuku, you got yourself pregnant. Our man made you pregnant. Oluchuku, I have been praying to God morning, afternoon, and night to give you a good husband. To give you a husband who is not a barrel pusher. To give you a husband who is not crippled. Oluchi, you went and let yourself get pregnant. Papa. For a man, a tout, Papa. A village tout, not even a township tout.
Papa, with all due respect, please, don't call him a tout. He is not a tout. He's responsible for my pregnancy and he didn't deny it.
Oh yeah? Oluchuku, look at you. You're not even ashamed of yourself, Oluchuku. You're not ashamed of yourself over what you did. Do you know the height and the weight of disrespect you've given to this family?
Nai. Look at the idiot coming.
Who? You! Look at you. I don't even know you're useless. In the category of human being, you're useless. You don't have a category. You! Agaba, which one are you called? You went, you had effrontery to impregnate my daughter. You! Look at you. You had effrontery. Your tentacle doesn't stay at the place. You should have come and impregnate my goats. I have female goats. You'd have impregnated them.
Nine. Is it because I got to that pregnant? Is that why you're shouting, ranting, waking the old birds? Telling the old lady I got to that pregnant? I mean, I don't like it too. After all, I'm equal to the task.
Look at you, idiot. I should be happy that you made my daughter pregnant. Come.
Papa.
I should be happy that I made my daughter pregnant. Whose of the shrine manufactured you? Whose of the shrine did you come from? I am sure it's either Omariko or Amadoha that manufactured you. Look at you. I should be happy you made my daughter pregnant. Elijah! Elisha! You made my daughter pregnant. Clap for yourself.
See, Nai, I'm very proud of it. You see this my pregnancy. If you see it as a shame, then swallow it. Because this is what your wicked tradition has brought upon you.
Who is your husband?
He's my husband.
Who? This person is your husband?
Yes, he's my husband.
Who drank on your traditional wedding day? Who drank on your wedding day?
You never told me you are my in-law.
Who is talking? In-law. Who is talking? Who is your homie? Ewausa, Katangoli, Kafanchan goat is talking. You are useless. You call him your in-law. Who is your in-law?
The fine boy. Agaba.
Look, let me tell you, this idiot here can never be my in-law. And will never. Yes.
Then, Papa, you wait forever. Because me, I'm married to him.
You're married to who?
Period.
Spiritually or physically?
Physically and spiritually.
Spiritually or physically?
What has come over you?
I'm talking and you're holding him like an umbrella. I am talking, you're laughing. You call yourself a man. Look at you. You're not even afraid of... Come, I'm talking, you're... And you... Turn down fire. Turn down fire, you. You, why are you? Why are you?
No. You're welcome. Why not? You're welcome.
Thank God today is even Sunday. As you can hear, you are hearing voice now. So today everything will work well.
Amen.
No problem.
Mama, I greet you now.
Thank you, my son.
You're welcome. Mama, according to the arrangement that is being made before now, that's why we are here.
Yes,
You're welcome.
And the arrangement we made in the city is this: that everything that you're going to do is going to be in cash.
Yes.
One time.
Yes.
Bam.
Yes.
And then we are here with that. Mama, like as I told you, he said everything should be in cash. You understand? So you want to hear? Everything is complete. You can even check.
This envelope is heavy.
Yes, it's supposed to.
Hey. You can check it too. Now we play the one part. You can now play your own part.
You have nothing to worry about.
Hey, my love. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes,
hey, Emeka.
My love. You're welcome. So it's time to.
You cannot see our. God don't butter your bread today. Mama, here she is.
Auntie Mama.
Angela. Mama. Hey. God, I really thank you for my sister.
Your husband is here. And the people.
Angela.
You have just paid your bride price. So you can just go inside, pack your things so that you can go.
What time of the region?
Please, I want to beg you. You see how we have done everything. Peacefully, no problem. So please, I want this marriage to be a peaceful one. Take care of my daughter for me. You know she's a small girl.
Mama, no problem for that one. You can count on us.
Angela, go inside, pack your things so that you can go with them.
What time?
Where is your family? So that the gate is open.
Then I bring sit down somewhere.
It's like John Paul called you.
No, you just flash me. Let me flash him back.
You. Is it that porn that they now flash? Eh?
Oh no.
Huh?
That's why you come to me.
Yeah, no. You know, it's just a minor thing. You know, they say that when an animal wants to scratch, he goes to the tree. You understand? And when a human being wants to scratch, he goes to his fellow human being to scratch. So this is why, as a brother, I have come to you now. You know, you're the only brother that I have. I have come to you so that, you know, you can do me small favor.
Like
so,
what?
I hope your wife is not.
Is inside.
Inside. I hope she's not hearing what you are saying.
No, she won't
hear. Okay, what I have come for is, you know, for you to just cholomo moleto things.
Like what or what?
Okay, already like 20. Just give me like 20,000.
No, we're getting at 20. Getting at 20. Getting at 20 about the every minute of the day. 20.
You're above 20,000, no? Honestly speaking, you're more than 20,000. Why are you speaking as if, you know, 20,000 is one big deal for you to just climb up and throw to me? It's a very minor thing now.
No. As you can see me, I didn't go to market today. So, I didn't go out. I just have a little headache.
Oh, I don't need to go to shop before you can give me 20,000. In this whole house, I know that there are a lot of money in this house. Just go up and throw 20,000 naira to me, and that is simple. Yeah?
I know. As you can see, I cannot lie for you. The whole house is not more than 15 naira in this house.
50 what?
Only 15 naira. You know, it's not more than 15 naira.
You want me to believe you?
Why can't you believe I cannot lie for you?
The money that is in this house is not up mother's house.
I'm sorry to say this, frankly.
You are giving me frankly truth. You are giving me frankly. You should have given me Kevinly truth instead of Franklin. You should have given me Agatha truth instead of Franklin. 15 naira is what you have. They hold you in this whole house. You're telling me you have 15 naira and you want me to believe you. Onwa, Rakiji. Onwa, lose your hand. Leave the one you are holding. There's nothing there. You have 15 naira in this house. There's no problem. Onwa, look. Is it this 15 naira? You said it's the only thing you have in this house. I'm going to contribute this 15 naira in your burial. When someone now will say contribute money for your burial, or I'm going to contribute 15 naira for your burial.
Do you know who you first died?
Yes, I know. The person that is going to die first is you.
How do you know?
Yes, I know because I have your date at hand. I'm telling you.
First, wait. Because Kebago society.
Oh, look at you. Me being in a secret society for you. If I want to be in a secret society, I'll be in a secret society for Dangote. For Mike Adenuga, big people, international people, and not a local champion like you. You're one, not even up to one for the whole village. You're one in this house. Do you understand? So I don't need to be in the society for you before you can die. One, bet me. If I don't kill you, if I don't contribute that 15 naira in your burial, Kuro bet, give me one.
Okay, let's think. Let's look for the one. Let's look at the one.
Oh, let's.
I'm not able to.
I want to get John Paul is calling you. Tell John Paul about your burial because he's coming back home for your burial. Tell John Paul is calling you, telling you about your burial. That he's coming back to bury you. Don't worry yourself. I am going to contribute 15 naira. Give me one. I didn't give you money. John Paul gave you money. You're my brother, your father, and my father. Who is your father? The father and father, my father. The mother and mother, their mother. Told you to take care of me. Gaju, I'm the younger brother. Mba, I'm Anibi. Don't worry. I have told you. I've told you. Watch them.
I got a gate. I got a gate.
All right. I don't get a gate. You.
Oh no, wait, Aramego. Oh, when I get Aramego, my dear brother, what kind of wickedness is this? What kind of character is this? I'll come back for one. Nonsense. You will die, I will bury you, and I will continue marry your wife. Idiot.
There's something I want to tell you.
What do you want of?
Only that it's hard for my mouth to say it.
How can it be hard? Talk with them.
Concerning your brother.
What
that always come here to collect money from your hand. Now, can you see the zeal, the strength in his eyes that day that he's talking? That he wanted to collect this money from your hand. And he said he will send kidnappers to come and kidnap you.
Where have you ever seen kidnappers? I heard you never. You need to know or hunt a can. Leave them, just leave him. Yeah, but I one need take a minute, you know, a minute, take a minute. Don't mind him.
He's hitting the ground, saying it with authority and with power. I saw the force in his eyes.
We'll travel out. We'll travel out.
And leave me.
What's this man doing with a native doctor inside bush? Hey, I don't know, help my husband.
Woman, you said you have something you want us to discuss. Huh? What is it?
I don't know how you feel, but I don't know.
But what? You no longer know what to say. But what? Look, I have noticed it. I have known you. Don't think I don't know you. I have noticed it. Each time you want to take away something from me, each time you want to get something from me, you always have this funny way of coming to me. Do you understand? Look, if you want to say something, say it straight and stop using all this backyard way to come to me. It will no longer work.
I'm not here to collect anything from you. I'm here to discuss something crucial concerning our children.
What could that be?
Now I am bothered.
About what?
About the situation of our children. Look at our only son, becoming useless. Our only daughter went and got herself pregnant for that useless stout called Agaba.
Honestly speaking, this same issue has been eating me up. Honestly speaking, you know. But do you have any solution to this problem? Because I'm bothered, just as you are.
I had a dream.
You had a dream. You had a dream. Look at you. You called me out to discuss something, and now you're telling me you had a dream. What kind of a nonsense dream did you had? Eh? What kind of a nonsense dream? Please say something. If you know you don't have anything to say, let me go to where I'm supposed to go to.
Nani, I want to ask you. Is there any way you put your hands in evil thing? Because in that dream, the evil you did is not reflecting on our children.
You're very stupid though. I'm telling you. You're very stupid. In fact, you need deliverance. How can you be talking to a man of God like that? When you know fully well that I'm a born again Christian and you're saying all these things you're saying. You know too well that I head the office of CMO in the church. You're talking all this rubbish. Saying all these devilish things about your husband. Are you alright? When last did you check yourself? If you're okay.
Nine, I saw this dream clearly. You used to visit one native doctor that stays in the bush. And inside there, the evil you're doing in this land is not reflecting on our children.
You are very stupid though, this woman. You saw it that I used to visit one native doctor. Is it your father? The native doctor who planted him? Was it your father that planted the native doctor that I visit? Respect yourself, oh. When you're talking to me, talk to me as your husband, though. Don't be talking nonsense. Have you forgotten that I'm your husband?
I said my own, open up. Open up. Let's look for solution. Let's look for help.
Look at you. I have said it. Each time you eat all this food you eat in this house, you sit down and squander a basin of food. You go to sleep and start dreaming nonsense. You start dreaming rubbish in your dream. They should take you for deliverance, or even you go to visit this Theodore, the chemist man. Let him mix drugs for you. Because the former drugs are no longer working. You have typhoid though. Your malaria has now escalated. It has gone to typhoid. They should go and meet Theodore for him to mix drugs for you.
I have said my own.
I'm even trying to make do with the mess you used to mess at night. Now you're trying to bring in info talk to a man of God, to a born again Christian like me. Thunder will fire you and fire your people and your generation for calling on Noah what you're calling me. Idiots.
You're welcome, my guys. Thank you.
The JP himself.
JP man.
JP.
Dikeh.
You know one thing. Our people used to say that in parable that I'm so happy for you people.
Thank you.
But you are true son of your father.
I wish you happy married life. Money my family Igabadu na Haja. Ibamunya 9 months time.
Yeah, she's even having 2 months already.
My
she's having 2 months already. So it's not up to 9 months again. That is normal.
Well, I'm really happy for both of you. You see, at least now you've acted like a man that you are. You know, this Catholic Church of a thing is beginning to turn into something else. Imagine, they say, except you bring money before they can call off the band.
Very risky.
But nevertheless, still happy for you.
My dear, I cannot express my joy. And you know the truth? I am just so happy because he actually realized on time.
Yeah.
That makes me a very happy woman today.
I can see it in your face.
That's why I have to say happy married life to you. Happy married life to you. Happy married life, happy married life, happy married life to you.
That's nice.
I have to ask, how is the enjoyment? How is the enjoyment?
Really.
Well, as you can see, we are looking good and fresh.
No, truly the best couple in town.
Yeah.
Well,
this is by the way, but I have something to say. You know, John Paul used to say it. It's high time that we wake up and know what to do concerning this wicked tradition. John Paul faced it. His friend Donato faced it, and I'm facing it as well. And both of you will still face it. It's not half time we wake up and know what to do to stop it. And so-called religious law, before it gets becomes something else.
I agree with you. You see that wicked tradition of ours, it has to stop. We have to put an end to it.
Exactly.
Yes, so
it's getting too much. It's not of hand.
Yeah.
Well, it's true. Well, all the same, let's just go for celebration. I'm just happy for both of you.
Definitely.
Happy with you. JP. Enjoy yourself.
And
yeah, that's right. I think I need to get them something to drink.
yes, you need to, but I've told them before. It's like I have a call. Hello? Mama? What? Papa is sick.
Oh my God, what sickness?
When? How? Why? How? Okay, I'll be coming to the village very soon. Just give him medication, please, Give him some drugs. I'll be coming very soon.
Honey, I hope everything is okay, please.
I can't just explain. I don't know.
What exactly is the mama saying?
Yeah,
It might be all these old age sickness.
Yeah, like my younger brother education. You need to take it.
Mom, the way my mom is standing on phone, I'm not more comfortable with it. Maybe this, we have to postpone this meeting to the next time. You can take even if like, go and nobody. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do now. Please. Mama. Mama, what exactly is wrong with Papa?
The way he complained, I thought it was ordinary malaria. But all malaria medication has been given to him. But it's not getting any better. It's not getting any better. Oh.
Into the hospital. Let me know for vehicle around to take him to the hospital.
Nothing will happen to me. Nothing will happen to me.
Papa, I know you'll be alright, but we need to take you to the hospital. Let me look for vehicle around so I can take you to the hospital.
Wait. Let me tell you. Let's think carefully. Nothing will happen to me. In case if anything happened to me, see, John Paul,
Papa,
I don't want you to associate with my brother. Oh no. You see, my father, when he was alive, gave me this portion of land where you did. He was trying his possible best to snatch this land from me. But no. So I don't want you to near him.
I heard what you just said, but I still insist that we need to take you to the hospital, Papa. Get better.
But I never finished. See, honor my brother. Don't ever in life reveal your plans to him. Don't discuss with him any of your plans. Do you hear me?
Papa, I've heard you.
Honor is very, very wicked. It's heartless. It's envy. Enemy of progress. Do you hear me?
Papa, I've heard you. Papa, I've heard you.
Beware.
Papa, I've heard you, but nothing will happen to you. Papa, nothing will happen to you. You'll be fine. Papa, nothing will happen to you. You'll be fine. We'll take you to the hospital, Papa. Here. Papa, nothing will happen to you.
No, not water. It's your no one. It's your no. Not it's your no one. Come back. Parish priest. Parish priest. You're alright. Oh,
Namu. Ewo. You have one day.
Hey.
Hey.
Mama.
I don't catch
Honestly speaking, this thing has been eating me up. This thing has been chopping me like change.
What is it?
This thing has been eating me up like virus.
I say, what is
inside
it?
my body.
What is it?
Look, you see the way Igwe gives us all this small change in the name of our own share. Each time money comes to this community, plenty money enters into the community box. Igwe divert it and give us change. Change as our own share. It is not fair. Igwe should know that this thing is doing is not fair. And we also elders, we should know that this thing Igwe is doing is not fair.
Che, so what you are trying to say is that Igwe should be sharing this money equally.
Look, no, I'm not saying that Igwe should be sharing this money equally, you know. But what I'm trying to say is that Igwe has to increase hand in our own share. Igwe has to increase, Tokwasaka, Nelaka, for our own share. You understand what I'm talking about?
Agwo, good day. Why are you running like this?
There is a problem. There is a problem.
Talk now. What is it?
A mighty tree has fallen.
Agwo. They call it Agwo. You don't know the meaning. Maybe you don't know the meaning of Agwo. Agwo is not a good thing, no. Only Agwo na Agwo is not a good thing. Do you understand? Look at your face. You're making face. Is that why you ran into this place as if you're being chased by masquerade? Agwo, when did you start speaking in parables? When?
Okay, talk. Speak. What is it?
My elders, I was passing by Edaonwa's house and I heard a loud cry. So I said I should go and just see for myself what was going on. On getting there, I discovered that Edaonwa is dead.
What? Shut up! Shut up!
Come on.
What do you know about death? Shut your mouth.
Don't shut him up, oh.
What do you know about
Don't
death?
shut him up, oh. Look, you are very stupid. You are very stupid. In fact, you are foolish plus stupid, which is useless. You don't have meaning because your name is Agwo. Agwo has no meaning. Agwo, in fact, you're supposed to work in a shrine. You're supposed to be one more. Shut up, oh. No, you're supposed to be one more. You're Agwo. Agwo has no meaning. He has no base. You understand? So because Onwa is dead, that is why you ran into this place as if you're being chased by masquerade. Even if Onwa is dead, and so what? That's where you're going to.
Iche.
Forward Nagich. Iche. Iche. Look, let me tell you now, Agu, or whatever you're called. If you don't leave this place now, if I use this thing on you, eh? Come on, get out, idiot. And that's what kind of a nonsense is that? And so what? If one is dead, eh? And so, is he the only person who has died in this village, in the whole universe? Is he the most important person that has died? Yaradua died though. Abacha died. All people has money and they died. Nobody talked. How much more Onwa? Onwa is dead. You're running as if you're being chased by masquerade.
Look at what you are saying. You heard that your brother has died and you are here talking like this. I am disappointed in you.
You are disappointed?
Look at what you are saying.
You are disappointed? Why will you be disappointed? Is it your brother? Eh? Is it your brother? It's my brother that is dead though. Why are you carrying it on your head as if it's your own brother? Look, no peace unto the wicked. Do you understand? Every wicked man must die. If Onwa is dead, it's a normal thing, no?
Alo! Abomination! Hey! Alo! Alo! Ichie, you are talking like this about for your brother.
I am not even pitying him. Oh. If truly Onwa is dead, I am not going to that place to feel pity over his dead. You understand? I'm going there to confirm if truly he is dead. Because if he's dead, it's going to benefit me. I'm even going to plan. Look, even if he is not dead, he is half dead. I am going to make sure that I send him to Alamo. Yeah? Because I am trying to plan to get what I want to get.
Abomination! Abomination!
Look at you.
Alo, you!
Come on. Is it your brother that died? Wait until your own brother died. Then you know it's abomination.
He's an elder in this land.
Who is an elder?
Hey!
What am I? What am I? Look, I'm elder in the church. I'm elder in the church, a servant of God. I work for God. God work for me. You understand? No wicked will live. That man is very wicked and he deserves to die. Do you understand? I am going to that place now. If I go there and confirm he's half dead, not dead already, I will send him to Alamo. Me personally, I'm going to send him to Alamo just to watch and see. Look at you. Is it your brother? Is it your brother? Why don't you wait until your brother dies before you talk about abomination? Oh no, whoa. You all know who. When the ego die, oh no, who follows. You are going to be the next to die. Watch and see. I'm telling you. Oh my brother, death has taken you. Ha! Look, death, come and take me home. Ha! 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 This is terrible. Oh my brother is dead. Oh no, this is true. Ha! Death, come and take me. Come and take me home. I'm stand up. I want to stand up because I'm coming to follow you. I want to stand up. I want. Ah! I want.
Mama, Mommy, stop crying. Mama, just be strong.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Mama, it's okay, stop crying.
Ow! Ah! Ow! I don't have mouth to cry. I don't have mouth to cry, yo. Brother. Ah! Ah! Look at me. Come and take me home. Oh, come and take me. I'm ready to die. My only brother. Ah! Jump on. Jump on. Ah! Jump on. Jump on. Come. Jump on. I don't want to show you the band apple. Jump on. Come. Ah! You took my brother away. Ah! It's me. I'm talking to you. Stand up. Jump on. Come. Oh. Jump on. Come. Ah! You've done me something. Death, you have done me something. Come and take me. Come and take me. Let me go with my brother. Jump up, Leave your mother, come. Jump up, come. Leave your mother. Leave your mother. Onwa has done me evil. Onwa has done me bad. Jump up. Onwa has taken only my brother. The only brother I have, Onwa. Death has taken him. Jump up. I called you to a corner to discuss with you now. Ha! Onwu, you have done me worst. Onwu, you have done me the greatest thing you would do to me by taking my only brother, Onwa, away from me. Ha! Jumpo, look, I called you to a corner to tell you this thing now. Let us discuss uncle to nephew. You understand? Ha! This thing I'm about to tell you now is what I was telling your brother, and he refused. Before you know it now, my brother is dead. As a result of his refusal, death now came and became his portion. So I don't want it to become your portion too. You understand? Eh? Ah!
What are you saying? What you just said now? I mean, you killed my father.
Are you alright? Why did I say that? Oh, I didn't say I killed your brother, your father. Why are you trying to put words into my mouth?
What exactly are you talking about? Because I just don't understand you anymore.
Look, you won't understand. What I'm trying to say is that I'm advising you now to use your head judiciously, and you're trying to accuse me that I killed your father. How could I have killed my only brother?
Because I don't trust you.
You don't trust me.
I don't trust you.
You don't trust me, John Paul. John Paul, I contributed to your traveling to abroad before you made this money and started going dada. John Paul, you were normal before you traveled. Now you are looking like a dada man.
Uncle, my dad is still lying inside there. So I'm not in the mood to start ranting or saying what. If you just go straight to the point, what do you want me to? What do you want from me?
Look,
what exactly do you want from me?
Thank you. Look what I want from you now. John Paul, you know you're still a small boy. You understand? And your senses are not yet matured enough in terms of better things. Now, I want you to, act judiciously. And the way you should act now is you have to give me the money now. The whole money meant for the burial. Just give me the money so that I will use my hand and handle all the whole burial arrangements. All the whole burial affairs.
Uncle.
You understand?
Uncle.
Umunna has to come. Umunna has to come. Igwe has to come. All the whole communities. I have to go and inform our maternal home people.
Uncle, this
to
person,
tell them that my brother is dead.
This person we are talking about now is your elder brother.
Yes.
So if you bury him single-handedly, it's not a crime.
Come, they don't use ordinary hand to bury somebody.
See.
Look, we have to go to the home now. Go to my maternal home.
If you need money, go inside there. Carry his dead body and go and sell. Sell it to the mortuary people and make money from there. The person we are talking about is your brother.
Yes.
It's your elder brother.
Yes.
So if you contribute to his burial, it's not a crime.
John Paul, they don't bury somebody with ordinary hand.
I don't have money to give you.
You don't have money to give me.
I don't have money to give you.
John Paul, you
I don't have money to give you.
You're shaking your head for me. More in a friendship. Abi.
Don't
John Paul.
If you are ready to bury your brother, bring money. Let's go and bury.
Wanza, look at you, Wanza. You're shaking your head for me.
Oh, no.
Look, don't let anybody hear our voice now. No. I'm trying to help you. You're doing nonsense. Look at you. My brother is dead. I'm telling you something. Look, this is not noise. Look at this small boy. Iche, I told this boy to bring all the home money. You understand? That we are supposed to use for his father's burial, which is my brother. So that I can use it to arrange home money. Go to my maternal home. Iche, wait, I'm talking. You're going, no. Iche, you're not saying anything. You're just walking out of me like that. Not even to go and beg him. Oh no. Look at. I am trying to. You.
Alo.
You. Look at you. I'm trying to complain to you that my nephew is refusing to give me money that's meant for my brother's burial. Look at you. You're not happy my brother is dead. You want to come and eat rice and beans. You want to come and eat fufu and drink malt. Thunder will fire you. If you're not dead, look, if you don't die before me, you know. John Paul. I'm talking. You killed my brother. And now my nephew is refusing to give me money. He must give me this money today.
Ada. Ada, what is it?
Do you like the way people are calling us bastards in this village? If you like it, as for me, I don't like it.
Ada, I'm worried and confused too. That's not the reason why you were thinking. Okay, Ada, you know what? Let's go and meet Mama. Okay? Don't worry, okay?
Tradition of this land. And since the death of my father, the elders have made my life so miserable. They've chased away all my suitors in the name of least Uwaezuoke. And I was very angry, so I have to give myself to have you both.
Ma, nobody's blaming you anymore. All we are saying is that tell us who our father is.
Yes.
Whether he's alive or dead. No, Mama.
My children, see what I can do. Smile for a moment. What's happening?
This one look like me.
Uwaezuoke, your father, is your father.
What is going on here? And what did I hear you just say?
I said your father, Uwaezuoke, is their own father.
You can't be sure of that.
How can she be sure? Eh? How can she be sure? Look. See, madam, how can you just wake up early morning and start accusing my dead father of being the father of this nonsense?
What did you say, young man?
Hey, shut up! Shut up there!
If I sound you like...
Now listen, madam. And listen very good. You can't come here for the first time to rant your mouth. Ini Edo, now listen and listen very good. Is it because he's dead? And you brought this... Now listen, madam. Take these two bastards of yours out of this place. Fine, do something.
My children are not bastards.
Please, I'm not bastard.
Except
you are.
Shut up your dirty mouth.
They will not. They will not. Your father is their father.
Yes.
And they are not bastards. My children are not bastards.
She's saying the truth.
What?
Yes. They have 5 children. 5 children for Papa.
What?
There are 5 of them. There are 5 of them. They are even in the city.
Hey!
People should better welcome them.
Hey, Nwoke boom.
Sit down here. This is your father's house.
Shut my face, keep short! Are you sure what you're saying?
I'm serious. She had 5 children. 5 for Papa.
Well, nevertheless, madam, listen. I don't care what this stupid tradition might have cost. That is how they will go about giving birth different here and there, all in the new so-called tradition. They can't even meet up to the standard as men. Now listen, madam. Before I go in there and come out, you wear these 2 brainless oceans and leave this place.
Ashe cannot do anything.
Now wait, Dikeh, take care of these fools.
Hey. After all I told you about this girl, you refuse to send this girl back to her father. Emeka, look at it. This girl is pregnant now. Eh? Do you know how the people are using our name to gossip about in this village?
Mama, I don't give a dime. I don't give a damn. Let them say whatever. The deed has been done. What do you want you to do? Yes. Eh?
Emeka, you must go and pay this girl's bride price. Eh? So that you'll be able to be proud now to call her your wife. Do you hear me?
She's already my wife. My half-wife, their half-daughter. The boy is my call. She's already with me. She's pregnant. So I know that they will call on me one day to come and do something on her head. That which didn't allow me to do on my own convenient time. I mean, the way it will suit me. I know that by now, they will allow me to do it freely. So I will give the 150 kobo. She's already my wife. So that one, in fact, I have gotten the solution on my head already. No need to bother about that. I know what to, that is what I will do. I know they will definitely call on me. I know anything I say now, they will agree. She's already my wife. As cheap as ever, I have gotten her. So they will not do anything. I know they will call on me. And when they call on me, I will do it.
You just walked past like that and saw me and pretended I was a ghost, not even the slightest form of greeting.
Nice. Good day.
Good day. Emeka mean good day, just like that. Okay. We are not quarreling. We are not quarreling. We the quarrel.
Nice. We are really quarreling. You started it. So we are quarreling. Yes.
No, tell me. You can use your eyes and senses and guess how old I am. Am I my ancestors? Did I create the customs and traditions of this? Oh, I am only trying to protect it. That is why you saw me neck deep in trying to make sure I protect the custom and tradition of my people.
So, what do you want from me now?
What I want from you is... Well, anyway, by the way, how is my daughter?
She's fine.
I heard you have done it.
Done what?
I heard you have put your waist into judicious use, and now my daughter is pregnant.
Oh, it's that one. That is handwork of God, and we are so happy about that.
Handwork of God.
Exactly.
You carry your waist and keep. No, handwork of God. We thank God. We give God the glory. Great things He has done. So when are you going to come and pay the bride price now? At least so that it can avert shame from both families.
If you want me to come now, I will not do beyond my budget because I have already had budget on that. So it's left for you.
That's your own budget. So your own budget.
I had budget on that.
So you will sit down, carry pen and paper, and draw budget for your own self by yourself for me. It's okay, no problem. Oh yeah, come. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Can I leave now?
You can. But come back. We subsidize the rent.
I've heard you.
If I were a rainmaker, see as it goes. I would have just invoked thunder with little strings and strands of lightning, and it go fire you as it goes. Can you imagine? One day like this, you will also have a daughter, and you will train your daughter and see the pains of training your daughter and seeing that one man will just drop from the blues, and will get your daughter pregnant, and then he say he wants to marry your daughter from the Ministry of Budget. No problem.
So we decided to come in this school of the day this evening, to say sorry to you for what has happened.
Yes, sir. I so much appreciate your visit. Thank you very much. You have been very supportive, Thank you.
What are we friends for now? What are we friends for?
But the only thing that makes me to still remain in this village is because of people coming to pay condolence visit to me and my wife. That's why I'm here.
Okay. When are you going back to this?
I'm still around for now.
I'll be leaving soon.
I'll soon be going, and I know that there is no any other problem. The only problem I have now is my uncle. If he sees this file now, he wants to pick it. Anything he sees in our company, he said it is his own.
John Paul, if your uncle is, if his share is just your only problem, then you have no problem at all.
What is the meaning of this nonsense meeting here? What is the meeting for? Look, we finished the burial and the burial has ended. Everybody should go. Leave this compound. You understand?
As what? Are you a president?
Don't I fire you? If you ask me as what?
I had to ask you.
Yes, this land belongs to me, John Paul, or whatever you call your name. Whether you're answering.
Let me tell you
Sit
something.
down. Let me talk to you. Who are you?
You can't talk to me
Why
because
would I talk to
this land belongs to my father.
Who is your father?
I built here when my father
Who
was
is your
alive.
father?
Are you here?
Before your father died, I told your father that this land belongs to me.
You respect your
Before he
age.
built on this house. You understand? So I have come to possess my possession. Everybody must leave this house.
You cannot do anything.
You won't leave this place.
This land belongs to my father, and he cannot take it.
I won't take it.
You can't take it.
You respect your age. What is all this?
Who is Nigel? Who is Nigel?
You don't know your age again.
Who's
Allow him to go.
Let me tell you, I've come to possess my possession. John Paul.
Papa, let me tell you something. Sorry, Papa. Iche, let me tell you something. You see this land? You see this whole house? This house must remain to this place because I built it in my father's land. You can't take it.
John Paul.
I've told you.
The only mercy I will mercy on you is for you to take this house and go to another place.
It's a lie.
To any other place.
Why can't you respect yourself?
No.
Because it's a plan.
It's a plan. It's a plan.
I guess if you don't know.
It's not good if ever.
Yeah.
Who plans for you?
People are for you.
My waist! Oh! My waist! Ha! My enemies! West! My waist! Oh! West! Ha! Ha! My waist! Oh! Ha! Ah! Ha! Ha! West! My waist! Oh! Ha! My enemies are at work. They want me dead.
I said it. I said it. I told you.
What kind of nonsense question is that one? Do you know what happened to me? Do you know?
What happened?
Eh? Hey! Ha! My waist!
Hey. Eh? Look at him. See. Mama, nothing is wrong with him. Now wickedness, now they do. Thank God they did not even kill you there.
Now you have proven how useless you are. You are really a useless son. I am telling you. You are touching your father.
You cannot deny being the cause of his uselessness. Thank God Agaba has money to pay your daughter's bride price. And maybe when you die, the yoke upon his head will be broken.
It is you that is going to die, yo. So people have turned the enemy against me in this compound. In this house, you become my enemy. But I tell you something. I am bigger than all of you. All of you put together cannot do anything to me.
So you are the one holding my destiny. Okay.
Do you have a destiny?
No.
Do you have a destiny?
You said I should not kill this man.
Why are you? Do you have a destiny? Eh? When your mother gave birth to you, did she get back to destiny? Did she get back to destiny?
Leave this man.
Where they go now?
Let's go.
My family has turned against me.
If you shall
my
kill,
family
stand up.
has turned against me.
Thank God.
They want me to die.
They are fighting.
They want me to die.
They are looking this man. Let's go. They are fighting for us.
He has seen with his eyes. Look at how he disgraced himself. But jump up. Don't think everything is over. That your uncle is very wicked. Very heartless.
Mama, you don't need to worry yourself about anything. I've told you. I will handle it by my own self. Leave everything to me.
But you know he's very diabolical. Cunning. Like tortoise. In every little thing, he'll be posting on all those secret powers that he has. In fact, I've been suspecting him that he's the one that killed your father.
I don't even care. Even if he's the one that killed my father, he cannot kill me. Instead of him to kill me, I'll be the one to kill him.
Anyway,
I've told you.
My dear.
You don't need. You don't
pray for you.
Mama, pray. The prayer is very important, but then he cannot kill me. Instead of him to kill me, I'll be the one to kill him. Nothing will happen. I've told you people. Relax. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. You just be afraid of.
No. Go and get me that this thing. Put that thing in fire. Big cocoa.
You see, this world is a funny place. Nobody knows tomorrow. I can't imagine that today you happen to be my son-in-law. I can still remember that time under that tree outside there that I used to rain abuses on you that time. Past.
No, we are another man. We have forgotten that a long time ago.
I hope you have all forgiven me. It's all in the past now.
Exactly, that has gone.
I have to bless your union. Yes. My daughter.
Papa!
Wow.
Thank
you
you,
made
Papa.
me proud.
Thank
You
you,
made me
Papa.
proud. It's okay. Kneel down for blessings.
Okay.
My daughter.
Papa.
I bless you.
Amen.
Amen.
My son-in-law.
Nice.
I bless you.
Amen.
My daughter.
Papa.
Is it is your waist? It will be productive.
Amen.
You will bear me grandchildren
Papa.
in Ori, Afo, Nkwo, and Eke.
Amen.
As for my son-in-law, may God Almighty grant you the fortitude, the ability, and may He anoint your waist with romantic hydraulic to use in servicing this my daughter because she is firebrand.
Amen. Amen. Now you are funny.
So that your panel beating instrument will be very good to match with my daughter. Papa. You see your children. May all your children, may you give birth, my daughter, to wonderful grandchildren for me.
Papa,
Children who are as beautiful as the mother and not the father.
Nah, it doesn't matter who you resemble. They don't resemble anybody.
My children, I'll not be taking them to barb and to barb only hair. They will barb hair and body.
Nah, you are very funny.
Yes, sir.
Nah, you are funny.
And please, you know your condition. I have to give you advice. You know your condition. You are not very advantaged height-wise. And my daughter, you can see that you were not very tall because me and your mother were not too tall, but we were average. In your own in-laws, my own in-laws condition, then they were below average. You see, my in-law, I'm talking to you.
Okay.
This is a word of advice. Your children, by the grace of God, I bless them.
Amen.
They will be tall.
Amen.
But faith without work is dead. Even with my prayer, as them born, give them beans. Give them beans. Because I will still love you as my this, but I don't want you to give birth to decimal points. No, I'm bringing
Papa.
Yes, they are still grandchildren. It's not punishment. It's not punishment. Stand up. Stand up. It's not punishment. Stand up.
I'm so happy now. You know, those days, you are releasing calls on me, calling me feeding bottle, short story.
Yes.
By that time, in fact, I don't know how I was feeling then, but
It's
now
okay,
I'm so happy.
It's okay.
Yes.
It's okay.
But thank you very much.
No problem. No problem. Your children will talk in Jesus' name.
Amen. Father, you know, you said the children, they are, you know, Okoro should have been here, you know, but he's trying to organize the children. You can hear their voice. That's how they always do each time they come for catechism.
Our help
you
is the
understand?
name of the Lord.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Our help is the name of the Lord.
Yeah. Yes.
I know you all must be wondering who I am. I am Reverend Father Ben Oji. The reason why the former parish priest was removed and I'm in here now is for a change. I know you all want to change, and that is why I'm here. Now, I will only return the cat keys, and all the executives must step down.
For a new appointee.
Father, for what?
Sit down.
Sit down. Father, I am saying why, because I will sit down no, because I just want to, you know, find out why you just came. The first thing you want to do now is to start removing people from their posts.
Why not obey simple instruction and sit down, listen to the father?
Catechist, look, let me tell you, I will sit down no. I will sit down, no doubt. But I just want to find out why he said you want to start removing people.
You must sit down. You must sit down. Sit down.
It's not fair.
I retain orders.
It's not fair.
I retain orders.
Who is talking?
Even if I return orders, I will not retain you.
It's on the table for you.
Even if I return orders, I will not retain you. Yes. A lot of things have been going wrong with this community and in this town, in this parish. So, before I end my speech, I would like to tell you all about the revelation I have concerning this community and this parish. Calamity will befall this community and this parish. I repeat, calamity will befall this community. Yeah. All the evildoers, the evil men in this town will go down. They will all go down. So you all must be careful. I repeat myself, you all must be careful. Be careful. Thank you.
came is, I actually came to find out the reason why you said you want to relieve everybody of his post.
I owe you an explanation, my dear. And I'm sure you heard what I said. So?
But the reason is...
No reason. It seems that it's like you eat from the church purse.
Oh, no. No. Father, you shouldn't say such a thing now, Look, everybody in this community knows me. You understand? Even members of this church, everybody knows that I'm a very nice person. You understand? God in heaven knows that I'm a very dedicated person. Look at my clothes. I serve God with everything that I have got. I make do with everything that I have. I'm not even bothered about new clothes. Do you understand? I use my tear clothes. See how they've teared. I use them to serve God like that now, So I'm not, somebody. In fact, God knows that I serve Him with all my might. Everything that I have got, all my heart, with every sincerity, I serve God. You understand?
All right. Then go home. Go home and see to what I said. Go home.
Go home. Father,
go home.
I should go home.
Yeah. Go home.
I should go home.
Go home.
I should go home.
Go home, my dear.
I should go home.
Go.
I should go home.
Go.
Fine boy.
Go home.
Who come?
Go.
Fine boy. I should go home. It's not fair. It's not fair. Father, Molawa.
There's something about this.
Father, this is the way to my house, or this is the way to your church. You're telling me to go home now. You're the one going home. Are you going home?
Go home.
Father, I should go home. I should go home.
So,
it's all right. Father, did you say I should go home?
Go home.
It's not fair.
Be blessed.
It's not fair. It's all right.
There's something about this.
Yes, Father. I tell you, this man you see has been eating from the church purse. The worst of it is that he's among the royal cabinet and they've been squandalizing the money of this community. And now he has turned to the church. I bet you, this man you see is diabolic.
I don't need to be told about it. I've seen it in the spirit already. Just a matter of time. Something will happen soon.
Praise you.
How the hell is it marriage or what they do?
Ichie, since you don't want to talk, let me talk. Whatever you people think have done between your daughter and the so-called man that came here and said he has married her, it's not acceptable. It is not acceptable. How can you give out your daughter without the consent of the elders in this community? The elders in your family?
Ndiche, what has been done has been done. The deed has been done.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Which mouth?
Whatever thing they have done is not recognized by the elders in this community.
It has been cancelled. And let me tell you, they will come back and do the normal thing they're supposed to do.
Bam!
Has cost some money.
Bam!
We have tradition in this community.
The deed has been done.
What do people mean? That they are going to come back to do what?
Oh.
Nobody is coming back.
Will you shut up your mouth?
For what?
Shut up!
Can you tell me to shut up?
Do you know who I am?
You people are going to leave this very place
Simple.
right now. What do you think?
Shut up!
I'm going to do something that
You
is
have heard him.
not worthy to
Please,
do.
leave.
Leave my house, bro. Leave my house.
Go!
Leave my house.
Leave! Go! Go!
They want to come back. They have to come back. They didn't come back. They didn't do anything well.
Leave them, leave them.
It's
okay.
You want to threaten my family for what? You think I'm not enough?
No problem.
Igwe. What I'm about to tell you now. Igwe. Our people say that the stubborn grasshopper ends up in the gizzard of a fowl.
Good. Yes.
Igwe, Mama Oka is a stubborn grasshopper. She has given out her daughter's hand in marriage without following the due processes of the tradition of this community. Igwe.
In this community?
Hi!
Huh? Mama Oka?
Igwe. Aro. I'm going to ostracize that woman. Bam! I will banish her from this community. Bam! Now, Olo, send for her immediately. Send for her immediately. That woman is a scallywag. It's a bizaga. She's a stupid bizaga. A scallywag. Hi.
Yeah, you are trying. So you mean you are feeding all this weapon area?
Yeah, I've really spent a lot of money in this building.
You try no be small. Anyway, by the way, what of the elders? Have you settled them?
Well, I believe they're on their way coming. I've discussed that with them. They're on their way coming.
That means I will stay here and wait for them because if you eventually settle them today, I must collect my own share.
Fine.
I must collect my own share because these elders.
Ah, Okuro. My friend, how are you? How are you?
Thank you.
How are you? How are you? How are you? The work is going on fine though. Ah, look at us everywhere is looking. Whoever that came here day before yesterday now and come here today now will no longer recognize. Look at us everywhere is shining. This is a nice job. Look at the environment, looking very township. Looking like a township. You want to turn our village now into a township?
That is it. Now our village is developing.
That is fantastic. That is fantastic. Look, oh no, you could see. Can you imagine? I could see a lot of development coming in. Speechless. Oh no, you want to pass? Where are you going to? You fall inside the water. You fall inside the water. No, if you fall inside the water, now water take you. Me, I will go home. I won't even want to come and pick you out from the water. Oh no, come. Let us do what we came for. Come. You know what we came. There's no point of telling you, so just give us this thing so that we can go. Igwe is waiting for us. Is it not true?
Actually, elders, I know you people are coming, and that is the reason why I'm here today. Expecting you people.
Okay. Do you know the last time this young man came? The other time he came, trying to tell me about this building. I was inside the house and he was knocking. Yes. I said, who is knocking? I almost thought it was a lady. I said, who is this lady that came to my house knocking on my door? I don't want to marry a second wife. Even if that one I have there is up, I can manage her. You understand?
Can't you say I am speechless?
I am telling you. I thought it was even a woman. It's all right. God bless you, Sha. Is that a check?
Yes, this 250,000 naira, my elders.
Oh, a check of 260. Yeah. On whose name?
No, sir.
Because what I'm asking on whose name is, the other time, the other guy that was building, he gave us a check. I didn't know the check was not on my name. I went to community bank to stand. The moment it was my turn, I tendered the check. The cashier said, no, this is not on your name. Do you understand? Oh no, it's all right. Oh no, the check is on your name. Just keep it very well. You understand? You are doing a nice job. My people are doing a nice job. Well done, well done. Thank you very much. It's all right. Oh, you're the supervisor. No, keep supervising. It's all right.
I had to collect my own share of the
money. Keep supervising.
Give me my own share of the money.
I
have to collect my own share.
No, look, go and supervise now.
No, if you don't give me, we call the youth for you.
What? You should have called police now.
This place belongs to every one of us.
No, you should have called police.
Elders are really funny.
You must give my own part of here because I'm here now. I am here.
They're really funny.
Because you are who?
Because I'm one of the youth of this place.
You should have gone to call police.
Look, yeah, you sure know what?
No, you should have gone to call police now.
I have to collect my own share.
This money has to reach to you before anything can happen.
Okay, you don't want to give my own share.
Go and call police.
Let me
instead of the youth.
Just you see me here now.
You should have gone to call the police.
Just wait, now, you see what I
Go,
want.
you want to call the police instead of the youth. Look at it. You're telling us. Don't mind you. You see all these boys. Once they start smoking all this thing, they smoke. It affects their brain, and their brain begin to malfunction. Look at him. He said he want to go and call the youth. Are the youth police? Oh. He should have said he want to go and call army. You understand? Look at this idiot.
Let's go to the Igwe's palace.
No, come first and foremost. Okay, we'll go to Igwe. Then after we'll go and clear this money. I'll follow you. I won't leave you alone to go and clear this money because my mother used to tell me that the only thing I can quarrel a man and a man is money.
Don't worry,
now
don't
that you're having this money, if I leave you now, you're going to chop. I won't leave you. Let us go.
Come, let's go to Igwe's palace.
Yes, I told you people I'm going to call the youth. And here the youth of the village.
We must have
something terrible will happen here.
No.
Thank God we will be having meeting both home and abroad.
Yes.
So give us our own share. What is your name again? What is your name? When you left that place and said I advised you to go and call police. We went and gathered all these Boy Scouts. Yes, all these. Who is that Canary? We are not Boy Scouts. Who is Canary? Oh, Canary. Oh, you're not Boy Scout, you're Canary. Look, let me tell you. I don't even know what's your name. You see this money you're talking about here, this money does not belong to the youth. This money is not for share. This money belongs to the traditional rights of the community. And who are the community? It's all right. It's all right. Do you realize you are standing in front of a no? It's all right. You say you don't want us to cross. Yes. You won't cross. Yes.
So what's the problem? The youth want to see you.
What for? Sorry, Your Highness. We told them to give us our own cut of money that was given to them for the washing of the land. But they refused, and that is why we are here.
When did that one start?
If I don't even know which people, you ask which people to give you cut of money. Which money are you talking about? Which people are the people?
That money is not meant to be shared. It is for the development of this community. Why?
He's saying to give you, money meant for people. I said, which people? Which people are we talking about here?
Your Majesty.
Oh, Your Majesty.
Your Highness is here. We met you people where you are collecting the money for washing of the land. Wow. We asked you people to give us our own cut. And you people refused. And that's why we are here. Igwe, a lot of things in our tradition are not favoring us, the youth, at all. Wow. Many things in the tradition are just like an imposement to us, the youth. The elders are only after what they will collect from us and not what they will give us. So we are here. Let the development of the community start from us.
Yes. You said that the development should start from you. Even if the development has to start from somebody else. Is it from Pincho like you? No! Don't you know if you are arithmetic, you're -1. 1 + 1 as these other people. You are 1 - 1. Talk.
Nah, stop embarrassing me. The appearance of a man is not a yardstick measure to his capability.
You even went to school. Yardstick.
Not only that, the others are imposing their laws on us. And it's unfair.
No, now that's you. I don't even know this thing, they call it eyeglass. You put it on your head, it becomes an head glass to you instead of eyeglass. Now, because you put it on your head now, it has taken away the position of your brain. Now it has taken it up, unbalanced. That's why you're speaking like that.
Wait, let me talk.
Amadioha.
Igwe, a lot of things in our tradition are like an impossibility to we, the youth.
We need a change! Yes! Igwe, did you hear that? Aroshi, Amadioha said I should wait for him to talk. No, Aroshi, Amadioha said I should wait for him to talk. Look at you. This is all you have to say. It's all right. You will talk.
My people, I've seen the reason why people are here. And it looks irrelevant to me. But all being the same, I'll put heads together, my English shares, and they'll know and see what we can do about that. For now, I want people to go.
Igwe. Ndishi. You are asking us to leave your palace.
You're not living with me. You must leave my palace.
No, bring for him. Let's go and bring mats for him. Don't leave. Bongo boy.
Iche.
Fine boy without money, you're happy.
Iche. Enemineko. Now listen, we will go. But we'll be back.
Yes.
Look, with God.
We must teach you people.
Yes. is monkey jacket. This boy is a terror. Judging by his monkey jacket, this boy is a terror. I am telling you,
wicked man.
Look at what you're putting on. You're putting on half shimmy, calling it monkey jacket. In fact, you put on monkey jacket. I'm even sure in the city, what you do in the city is you are an instrument of sugar mummies and sugar daddies. I don't even know the one you belong to. Idiot, you come to brag in this. Igwe, you must bandish this.
My elders, you all know why we are gathered here. I want us to talk on what to do for these youths so that they will relax. Or else, as you can see, those boys and girls are ready for war. What do we do?
Igwe, may this belong.
Thank you very much.
Igwe, it's not a very easy decision to make, but even if my mouth is heavy, I have to look for a way and pat them. Igwe, I suggest humbly that we give these children their rights. Let us give them their rights so that we too we can rest. Well, why are you looking at?
Why won't I look at you? Why won't I look at you and say, see what you're saying with your own mouth? You're saying this into Igwe. I've always known you as a two-edged sword man. You open your mouth to say all these things to Igwe for Igwe to accept. What for? Eh? What for? Igwe, please, I don't mind him.
See, if you are finished, should I talk now?
If you have something important to say.
Igwe, I can continue.
Continue.
Well, please, I also need that suggestion is not within the context of what we are talking about. Illegal looking and eye contact should be banned in this Council of Elders meeting. People that look people with suspicion, look something is biting you and you're looking at person. I don't want it.
Igwe, they're not even talking about
Igwe. No, wait. Igwe, this thing he's saying is nonsense. So I'm not taking this thing he's saying. He's just talking from a low brain. Let us talk from a high brain now. Let high brain chief men speak and leave all these low brain men. Igwe, if the youths come, let them come with whatever thing they want to come with. Igwe, you're capable. Bam. Igwe, you're a strong, you're full-fledged Igwe. Bam. You're not an ordinary Igwe. Bam. You're not the Igwe with ordinary crown. Igwe, bam. The community sat down and crowned you Igwe. And I know that you can match them Igwe to Igwe, man to man. Anyhow they want to come with it, let them come with it. Bam. Igwe, so relax yourself. Forget about this thing.
Moreover, Igwe, they're not even talking about the elders. They're not even talking about the elders.
At all.
Igwe, as long as you did not invite them, they will not know what you have in mind and they will be afraid.
Yes!
Just do what Ike has asked you to do. Get in there.
Igwe, if you want to hire or if you want to bring elders, call elders and crown chiefs or make chiefs. Don't bring people who are supposed to be rappers. They are rapping, talking 1,602 words per second. Understand?
Igwe, time has come for when we want to do choosing. Let some people go out and let some people come in. Nze here that is speaking. Nze is speaking out of nonsense. Look! Nze here is Nze by name and not by crown.
Yes.
So they should retire him. In fact, this person here is supposed to go and work in the shrine. Igwe, have you ever listened to those pussycats that speaks in the shrine?
Igwe.
I declare his position vacant. So and we should Tangra, who's there? Palace guard, keep that thing first. Go and carry truck. Put on the say vacancy on Oma's position.
Igwe.
Vacant.
Igwe, send this person to shrine though. That's where he belongs. Before he supports something in this community.
Igwe.
This is not the kind of person we need in this community,
Igwe, I believe you are mistaken in some points. Is it this bead that you give us? It is traditional bead. You see Onoma, he talks a lot. What? Because he's a rapper, you should give him 2-pack chain to hang on his neck. When he will be doing, all of us will be doing Igwe, he will be doing Igwe, worst behavior, motherfuckers never loved us, remember?
Nze here that is speaking. Nze is speaking out of nonsense. Nze opened his mouth and said that you should have, what you should have given me was 2-pack chain. Igwe, if you know 2-pack very well, 2-pack was a very popular person. Look! Nze here is Nze by name and not by crown.
Yes.
So they should retire him. In fact, this person here is supposed to go and work in the shrine. Igwe, have you ever listened to those pussycats that speaks in the shrine? Igwe, this person here is supposed to work in a shrine. I am Tupac, yes. Give me Tupac chain. The whole world knows Tupac. Tupac is a rapper. He's a singer. Everybody knows him. Yes. But nobody knows the pussycat that works in a shrine. Igwe, send this person to shrine, though. That's where he belongs.
Okay, I've had all of you. I have to sleep and deliberate over it and come out with conclusion. That is it for now.
Igwe, there's no point of you sleeping over this thing. Oh. Igwe, you're already awake now. Handle this matter now with awakeness. No, you understand? The only time you know who has ever said something right, you know, supporting. Igwe, don't go and sleep. Oh. Wake up now. You're already awake.
No problem, I'll digest it. That is it for now.
My in-laws. Emeka. Emeka. I call this meeting because of what happened last time when the elders came here. In fact, they came here and they said that the marriage that we did for Angela is invalid, and they were ranting that they were going to go to the Igwe and report the matter. And they have gone to the Igwe and they reported us. And the Igwe is now threatening to banish the whole family out of the community. So that is why I call this meeting, because I don't know what to do. As I'm here now, I'm so confused.
Mama, Mommy, don't have to be confused. Eh? Allow them. Whatever thing they like, let them do. Eh? The elders, the Igwe, they cannot banish us from this very land. After all, we are the son of the soil. The Igwe have no right to banish us from this land. Eh? What happened when they came here? After all, Emeka, my brother here, is in support of me. Emeka, Bo.
Yes.
He's the Igwe of the land, though.
Mama,
forget that thing.
Mama, I didn't even know that this was the reason why you sent for us. Had it been I know, I wouldn't have come down. With our in-laws coming down to listen to this rubbish. Igwe and his so wicked Igwe and his so-called wicked elders cannot do anything. Let him come and banish us. Let us see. In this family, in this village, are we not born and brought up in this village? We are son of the soil. We are flesh of this land. In fact, nothing will happen. His Majesty cannot banish us. He will not do anything. He cannot. My in-laws.
Listen. Go. Onye sigara rando ya nwokwa lekwando ge rarama.
You are welcome. All of you are aware of the new law we passed in this community regarding the marriage issue. Mama Baka has violated the law. And upon that, I called this meeting, she couldn't attend it. For that reason, I ostracized her, I banished her from this community.
And Igwe, you know, this English language is something that, you know, sometimes they begin to, you know, when once it is spoken, the confusion is on the air, in the air. Do you understand? This ostracized now, let them know and think it's circumcised. So tell them what ostracized.
I banish Mama Waka from this community.
Thank you. He said the banish her from this community. He said
Your Highness, please, Igwe, the woman in question here is my mother. And the reason why she's not here is because she's having heart attack.
That is, she will have a leg attack.
So, Igwe, please, if I may ask, can you give us some reasons, not just a reason, why we should be banished as a family?
Exactly.
Igwe Chukwuabiama said you should go and compile a list for him and tell him the reasons why.
I have the final say in this community. And if I should give you the compilation of what my reasons are before I banish your mother, you should come to my palace and do that.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You people shall see. This village is not good. I don't even know who you are. Yeah? It's not fair. Please, can you take the same person away? Move. Oh! Who has brought this mommy water song? Thank you. I am afraid of you.
We'll deal with you one day.
This thing you're holding now is going to bring your death. This thing that you just drew now.
Look at you. You will see me. By the time he pass through this world, I will get hold of you.
Hey! Who has brought this chinch again?
Leave this my old man away.
You look like Oboka.
How do I look like?
Oboka.
I'm not.
Look, do you know that thing they used to use?
I said to leave this old man.
Let me finish this.
Leave him.
Finish me.
I will finish you.
Finish me.
One day, you will die like a fowl in this community.
Oh, which chicken is talking now? Which chicken is talking? Is it my Tolo Tolo? Tolo Tolo is speaking. Look at you. You don't even have a category. I am old, yes, no problem. Everybody knows that I grew from infant to old. You don't even have category. You're not even old. You're not young. Are you in elementary 1? Oh, nobody knows. Elementary 2, nobody knows. Primary, secondary, you're all university. You're all there. Look, you think you're the only one? I went to school, I went to school. I read P-offs. I'm telling you, I read P-offs. Idiot.
With God, you must stand. With God,
you must stand. We all knows why we gather here. Yeah. This is 1 year now that we went to His Majesty, the King, to learn our complaint, yet nothing has been done. He have not come to visit us as instructed to do. Oh, I'm not happy about that.
Yes, I can see that all these red cap thieves, they are proving to be stubborn. So I suggest that to apply violence into this issue.
Youth, when? Where's the one you?
I have to stand up.
Yes.
You see, this is a very critical issue that we need to apply wisdom. If you are to go straight to kill His Majesty, the gods of the land will be against us. Okay. So I suggest that we hired assassins to kidnap him.
Yes.
He is so wicked as we calm down.
You want to kill the king? Shut up. Leave me alone. Just leave me alone.
Why are you shouting?
Why won't you shout?
Why are people shouting? Why won't you shout?
I think this is what we should do. See, the way I see this thing, His Majesty is proving stubborn.
Yes. Very.
See, let us kidnap him. All the elders will calm down. That's what we should do.
Yes.
By then.
I think that is worth doing. Our people from the city.
That is it.
Help us to execute this plan.
Yes.
See, let's follow them. Fire to fire. Let them know that we are serious.
As part of the Nollywood tradition of this our land, and I will support you guys in any way to fight.
Fresh president.
You to Kwan! Kwan! Kwasonu! Enough is enough. It is high time we teach the Igwe and the cabinet how to go about this tradition in this land. I hope I've spoken your minds. Yes. And this is the high time we teach them lessons.
Bado. Nami they run this town. Anyhow, I will be I will run and the baddest boy. To get what's in the bottom.
Test I learn some I know. Result the wife of fear and make a hand.
For this matter, you know what's in the bother me.
Bado. I know they laugh at all.
No, they laugh.
I know they laugh at all.
Me, I need money.
Since 1 month. Since 1 month. Any work never enter this cabin.
And the test I need money.
Did you hear the voice? Nah, this journey is not an easy journey. Look at human being.
This thing one whole year, this 22 one whole year, never works. It's 1 month. So I won't man work.
Bad day. Sorry. Please, please,
we are not
please,
spicy.
Where are those people? Please, we are here for peace.
Yes, to see you.
Who said that? Come.
No. Come. Oh, we are here for peace, please.
Go down.
We are here for peace, We are here for peace. We are here for peace. See, we are not here for any other thing. No. We are here for peace.
Yes.
Hey, quiet.
Go straight to the point.
Here.
See, in our village, in our community, the elders and the king, they are not treating us fine.
Oh, but I'm not down. I get it, Igbe. Let me concern your youth.
Go straight to the point.
Go straight to the point.
I want you to kill him.
I want you to kidnap and kill him for us.
Exactly.
Wait. Kidnap and kill. Kidnap and kill.
Yes.
Double wrong.
I hope two of you are not playing pranks on us.
No.
No.
I hope you are not police informants.
No.
Forget the uniform.
Because
the dressing is wrong.
If you do, even the devil will be surprised what I will do on both of you people.
No, we don't have anything to do with the police. We just that we need your help. We need people to help us, please.
Skipo.
Guy, I double us. Now money na 2 million.
Eh? 2 million? Yes.
It's too much.
2 million. Or no deal.
It's too much. Yes, deal. Deal, deal.
So how are we getting our money?
We'll pay you. Depending on how you want, where you want us to pay you. Baby.
Skipo. Let them discuss.
Yes. Waiting.
Please, oh.
Yes. You know they discuss here. Oh.
Yes. Sorry.
I like this.
2 million. Please, don't shoot.
Yes. Waiting they worry you.
Reduct more.
Hey. We're waiting.
Don't shoot.
Yeah, be like market.
Don't shoot, oh. Please, don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Deal or no deal?
Deal. Yeah, deal. 2 million. Deal, oh. Deal.
I got the money.
How are we getting our money?
Where do you want us to pay and how do you want us to pay?
Listen, tomorrow, I said tomorrow, when I drop the money for back here, you understand? I don't need check, I know they do with check.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
How are we going to get the information?
We'll put the information inside the money. We'll write it and put it. Every information you need, we'll provide it.
JP will bring it.
Yes.
Yeah, na follow come.
This way.
Oh yeah, disappear.
2 million.
Hey.
Disappear.
Remember, we are professionals. And we do our job very well, no traces.
No problem.
Yes, if not fair to pay our money tomorrow.
We will bring the money.
Let's go.
Havana.
Silence.
Boy.
Not me.
Boy, don't call me that too.
Now we go.
Nah, this man.
I can't wait to chop off that man.
I did tell you.
It's here, this time I go.
Yeah, babe.
Now you be Igwe, abi. You the job community money.
No believe me, now me and my this year, Olo will follow the chop.
You dey claim Igwe abi?
I know they claim Igwe, na me be the Igwe.
You dey claim Igwe?
I don't claim Igwe, na me be
the
the
Igwe
Igwe. Now, okay, broke Igwe, no problem. I beg you.
They show community money, if you say na your right abi.
Bros, no be only me the chop.
If you say na your right.
My head, my in this year, they follow chop.
Don't finish.
Igwe allow.
Who be that?
Okay.
Come here.
Onye dey here.
Can I be this?
What you want use the person do?
I think that person will help me now.
Smell am.
You don't hear. Oh yeah.
Disappear. Yeah.
Shut up. Go.
Why you want know the person?
I think the person.
If you say na right, abi. Go dey talk money where people wey dey marry.
No, but no just wait this guy come out here now. Mo just wait sir come out here.
We go hear that now.
Don't worry. I mean be the silencer. I'm going to silence.
Mama, please, this man come out here, Johnny.
No silence. Hey, I beg you.
Igwe.
Igwe is gone now. Igwe is gone. My priest.
What is going on here?
He says something. Say something. My priest.
Will you two barbarians shut up your mouth and tell me what is going on here?
We were going out. Oh. Some armed men attacked us and kidnapped the Igwe. They kidnapped the Igwe, my priest.
Armed men attacked you and kidnapped my father? What were you two doing? Are you not supposed to be his guards? You were there watching like morons, like imbeciles, while they kidnapped my father? Now you two, get out there and find me my father, or have your heads set on a dish. Now go this minute! Now!
Where do we go from here?
I don't know. What are you still doing here? Get back to your
Oh God, Igwe.
Find me my father! Find him!
When do you come back?
can't find now.
Nah, I just came back yesterday.
So good.
Leave that. You know, I told you to come to the city. You said the village is okay for you.
The village is sweet.
The
village is sweet.
Look, there's something that brought me home. I heard that the king was kidnapped.
The Igwe.
Yes. People has been kidnapped. Now everybody was so sad. Even the youth, everybody was complaining.
That's the fact, my brother.
What is happening? I don't know. The king kidnapped.
Just like
so
that.
What's the arrangement? See, Emeka. The fact is that the king is dead. Is that he's faulty of all what he has done. Man, he has murdered blood. He has killed people. He has shed blood in the village. Sure, we are fed up, my brother. Huh? Hi. No, my friend, let's forget about that, Sha. What they want them mother? You know what happened? You know what happened? Emeka, where are you going to now? I'm about going to your place, yo.
My place. Don't worry. We're going to one Ori face right now. Yes. Join us. Just join us. Let's go.
I got that.
They have dared me. They have really touched the lion's tail. And as many that have hand in this should wait for my reaction. I mean my actions. But why? Why the Igwe? Is he the only one that instituted this custom? If that was the reason. But whatever. Whomever that planned this should get ready for me.
He came. Akataka! You're here. Tell me, where do I find him? That is why I'm here. I am not here to tell you where you can find him, but to give you your own warning.
Akataka, what do you mean?
His Majesty disobey the gods by choosing the tradition and custom that suit him. That is why the gods allowed that to happen to him. Don't bother to look for him anyway. He will never be found in the land of the living.
What? Are you trying to tell me my father is dead?
I have not finished. Stop accusing the people you have in mind, Ikemefule. Their hands are clean. Don't do anything stupid. Anything you do to revenge his death will take your life.
Wait, Akataka, you mean you came here to tell me my father, the Igwe, is dead?
Your father is dead.
Oh, oh.
This is no matter of going to church or not going to church, going to shrine or going to mosque. You know, great thing has happened though.
What is it?
I'm telling you, Igwe has been kidnapped.
I heard about it too. So what are we going to do?
What we are going to do?
Hey!
Like I said earlier on, all these society leaders that eat church money, that extort church money, that eat from the church, will stop. Change is what we stand for, and change is what we'll get.
Sure.
All the evildoers in this community and in this parish, they will all go down. See? Have you heard that Dikeh have been kidnapped?
Yeah.
Yes, and I heard it. Yes.
Yeah. I heard the news this morning and I was surprised. This community is turning out to be something else.
Hey, Father! Father, I will confess. Father, please. Please, Father. Father, please pray for me before I die. I've committed a lot of things in this community. There's nothing that I have not done in this community, Father, please. Please pray for me so that I don't die, Father, please. Father, stop looking before I will die, Father, please. Pray. I have killed a lot of souls. I have been involved in so many kind of evil in this community. Father, please, I have come to confess. Please pray for me. I killed Uwaezuoke. I killed I killed my brother, Onwa. I killed my brother. All for my selfish interest. All because of what I will gain over their death. Father, please pray for me. All the whole money in the church, I've been eating this money. I have been eating the money, diverting the money to myself. Father, please. Please, Father. The worst one is, I even used charm. I used charm on the former priest. That was why he was unable to discover and send me packing. Father, please pray for me so I don't die. Biko, Father, please pray. Pray for me before I don't die, please.
No
please.
Wonder.
Father, please. Please,
See, I'm not surprised. I'm not.
Hey, Father, please now. Please pray for me, please. Please, pray. Pray for me so that I don't die. Father, because what I'm facing now is more than one. Please, pray for me so that this one doesn't come. Father, Father, please. Our Lord is good. Yes, all the time. Father, please. Please, please.
Father, is he there?
Yes. Whatsoever a man soweth, so shall he reap. Let's go.